But yeah, it is a 2007 WRX STI UK Limited, or Type UK, however you want to word it. This is actually also where I crashed up here. There's a spot where I ended up crashing. It was fucking terrifying, man. I came flying around this corner right here, and I had a 2000, it was a Honda Tornio Euro R. I got scammed by the German that I bought it from, to be honest, because first gear was going out. The car was never even legalized in Germany, so that thing literally was in the, it was in the UK, and then he imported it from Japan, from the UK. It had UK plates on it still over here. thumbs up. taking her on gravel either, and this car is a little bit low. It's not like slammed to the ground or anything, but I'll show you guys that. Oh, that was a big ass fucking pothole, bro. God damn. I have scraped really bad before in this car. Right here. Oh yeah, this is a good spot. Might get some pictures too while I'm out here. Alright, so let's show you guys under the hood real quick. I'm just going to use my GoPro since it's waterproof. Here she is, my 2007 WRX STI Type UK or UK Limited. I took it to Austria. I said I was racing that Jetta out there and down in, you know, Mexico. But it's been a great car. People love it, man, and it's gonna really pain me to have to sell this car one day. So you can see right here, I actually got hit in my parking lot. I came out one day and it was just there. There's a little dent on the side. You know, it's got some rock chips too, pretty badly up front. But I think the last owner also really enjoyed this car. You know, he claims he babied it. I don't think he really did, to be honest with you. But if you guys are curious on like the build, I'll link everything in the description of everything that I am aware of that is done to the car. As you can see in here too, I'll show you guys like what I see. You know, this is what you guys will be able to see later on once I get a better like POV. The air pumps went bad. I got that replaced at the dealership because I personally don't really want to work on this car. I like to just try to keep it as best shape as I can in maintenance wise. It needs a little bit of TLC. As you can see, it needs some cleaning. It's not the most beautiful thing ever. Like that could be restored up there. My wife loved my car so much that she ended up getting her own 2017 WRX, and those are also great cars. If you want a car that's just a daily driver, I suggest a WRX. I think STIs are a little bit scarier to own. Like if this thing was completely bone stock, I would probably be a little bit more scared to drive it. But I have receipts for literally everything backing to the UK, because as you can see, you know, this thing was in the UK. An old lady had this at one point, which is fucking cool to me. And this is my first ever GoPro video, so I'm really hoping like the GoPro quality is really good. It's 4K, 60 FPS. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, if you want to see more. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.